Focusight Smart Floral Sorting and Packing Solution. It achieves high-speed automated precision grading of flowers, bundling and cutting, and fully automated packaging. Using machine vision and artificial intelligence technology, it helps flower farms achieve accurate grading, improve efficiency, and enhance quality. Focusight Intelligent Flower Sorting Machine. The system consists of 4 core modules: flexible feeding, precise detection, non-destructive defoliation, and intelligent sorting, achieving high-speed, fully automated grading of roses. Feeding system. The system is equipped with 4 feeding stations. 4 to 5 operators can achieve a capacity of 8,000 to 10,000 stems per hour. Each station can accommodate 1 to 2 operators for flower feeding. Detection system. 7 cameras and our self-developed AI algorithm can detect the flowers, head size, cutting point, thickness, length, external defects, and irregular stems. For new varieties, only 200 samples are needed to complete rapid modeling. Self-developed AI model. The same AI detection algorithm can be applied to multiple flower varieties. Defoliation system. Equipped with 9 independent defoliation units, supports proportional or fixed-length defoliation. Flexible flower clamps work in sync with the mainline direction, significantly reducing mechanical damage. Automatic waste leaf collection system ensures clean production. Manual defoliation pre-processing can also be done first, still achieving a capacity of 8,000 to 10,000 stems per hour. Sorting outputs. The system features 32 flexibly configurable channels with dedicated grading logic and includes a waste output. Equipped with vibration motors to ensure smooth discharge. LED display shows real-time grading data. Focusight Automatic Flower Packing Machine. This machine achieves full process automation, integrating for functions, bundling, cutting, force detection, and intelligent packaging. Maximum capacity reaches 220 bunches per hour. Intelligent feeding. Innovative module design. 3 sets of carriers work together, enabling one person to efficiently load flowers. Each carrier supports flexible combinations of 2 to 8 stems. Cameras accurately measure flower head height and stem length, providing precise data for cutting and packaging. 4-station packaging. Receiving station precisely accepts flowers from the clamping mechanism. Gathering station, pressure sensors intelligently adjust tightness, ensuring consistent packaging for different head sizes. Bundling and cutting station, elastic rubber bands and staples automatically match stem length and accurately cut stems. Packaging station. Vision system collects data of flower head size, automatically adjusting packaging height and paper length. High-strength quick-dry glue ensures firm sealing on all sides. Packaged bunches are neat and tight, with appropriately adjusted straps, enhancing bunch quality. Soft discharge system. Intelligent robotic arm uses flexible gripper design with 360-degree adjustable rotation, ensuring damage-free discharge. The same series also includes packagers for different specifications. Pro Series. 10 stems per bunch, 180 bunches per hour. Pro Max Series. 25 stems per bunch, 144 bunches per hour. Ultra Series. 6/12, 18 stems per bunch, 220 bunches per hour. Flexible configuration saves labor and improves efficiency. The equipment can be configured in an offline way, requiring only 4 feeders and 3 receivers, who also handle feeding of packing machine, achieving 8,000 to 10,000 stems per hour, equivalent to 20 to 25 manual workers. It can also be configured in an online way, requiring only 4 to 5 feeders for the entire process. Sorting automatically connects to packaging, achieving full process automation. Focusight helps flower farms improve efficiency, save labor, and enhance the quality of flowers delivered, faster, more accurate, and more efficient.